Okay, today I'm going to be cooking in my friend Tyler's kitchen. Cooking with Parker. Okay, but anyway, and I'll be trying to figure out this modern sorcery we have over here. Wish me luck. Okay, here we go. Let's figure this out. How do we work this modern sorcery? Babe, I don't even know. I'm not used to having a thermostat. This is going to be interesting. Well, let's do like a moderate oven, 375 or so. No, we'll do 400. No, we'll do 375. Okay. Okay, we've got that. Is that gonna? Okay. Are we cooking? Is fire going to come on? What is this sorcery? Is this going to get hot? How does this work? Where is the fire? Well, how do I turn this light off? Does this light just, oh, okay, it's automatic. That's a good one. Okay, now we're going to get this casserole dish. And then we're going to get the salmon. Give me that salmon. Where is the salmon? Where is the salmon? There is the salmon. The salmon. This is $35. Highway robbery. I just know the comments are going to say, did you wash your hands? I did. Did you buy the drinks? Wow, and I don't even have to put this in the fire to add the fuel of the stove. What is this sorcery? Okay, I'm just going to set this here for now.
We have a trash can.
Okay, I'll throw it away in a minute. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle this this fish with lemon pepper. That's kind of a lot, but that'll work. Now we're going to sprinkle some garlic salt. I feel like this has more than it should have in it. Yeah, it has an anti-caking agent. Silicon dioxide. Carcinogens. Okay, now we're going to add some garlic salt. Oh, okay, well, this is going to pour out dramatically. It's going to be a salty fish. Like me. Salt. Where is the butter? Oh, right in front of my face. Tyler, where do you keep your knives? In here?
There and there. Yes.
Now we don't need that much butter. Okay. It's not boiling. Okay. And then we'll cook that until it's done. Okay, now I'm going to take the salmon out of the oven. I'm going to heat myself with this. Interesting. Where shall I set this? Okay, now, how do we turn on this oven? Stop, please. Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't that hard. This is still on. Okay. I believe that's done. We'll see how good it is. Okay, try the food, Tyler. Now, keep in mind, you put extra lemon pepper on my salmon.
Yes. Also, keep in mind, I don't eat salmon like this. So
You'll have to say that louder for the camera.
I don't normally eat salmon, so.
Honestly, it's not the best salmon I've ever made.
It's not bad.
Let me guess.
You know that gray part that I scooped off?
Yeah.
I didn't scoop it all off.
So, on
It's
a scale
good.
of Tyler ratings, I give it a solid 9.5. Because you can never give anything a 10.
I was gonna go with an 8.
Well, that's
'Cause I
the
don't really
last
like
dish
salmon.
of mine that you have ate. So,
I don't really like salmon that much. But this is pretty good.
yeah. Okay, now we're going to get on Twitch.